The Anaconda, a huge, aggressive, voracious ambush killer, always ready to crush its next victim to death. This is the stuff of nightmares. A deadly swamp monster over 20 feet of sheer muscle power, waiting to suffocate and drag its prey to a watery grave. South America, the nation of Guyana on the northeast coast, boasts one of the largest unspoiled stretches of rainforest on the continent, home to a giant, almost legendary reptile. The biggest and heaviest snake on Earth, the green anaconda. Its enormous size and grisly attacks have given it a bad reputation.